Practical firewall. Today we are inside no place. Nothing is singing. So today we are just doing a practical exercise about a firewall. Deploy the static site attached to this task. You must correctly configure the firewall to prevent the device from overloading to receive the flag. Okay, let's see. The website at 200.110.1 is under attack. Quickly add some firewall rules to stop this server from crashing. Simulation. Okay, so again, the source is 5139. Our is that. Okay, port, wait, what port is that? 80 maybe? I mean, one rule is enough, but I just overdid it. Okay,